Syriac songs of the Syro-Malabar Church. The following songs are going to be sung by Reverend Father Alexander Katakayam CMI. He is going to sing from the book of Canonical Prayers of the Syro-Malabar Church. Title of the book,
Xava Dasilosa Canonita.
Printed at Mananam in 1932. Page 357.
Yada Hushawe from Sunday Lelia, Night Prayers.
Barlamba Uliasa Yada Hushawe Dologon Brinasha War Kasyasa Dilembavasa Atu Yada Mehilusen Israham Lain Howde Saman Gamelme Avahanana Avram Ramana Uruham Rapanam Kasanadatamme Kandesh Pagarain Unamshasan Misraham Alain.
Father Abel used this melody with a few modifications. The Syriac melody in Father Alexander's version is in a free-flowing rhythm with no specific meter and no rhythmic accents. The first two phrases are sung continuously. Yada Hushawe Kulahon Binainasha. Father Abel, however, applied a steady meter of 6 beats, unaccented, for each phrase. Meshiha Kartave Narakula Palakane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please see Aramaic Project 11.9. Also, Father Abel changed the phrase structure by using the 6th beat for a silent gap to demarcate the phrase endings. Maranam varumaru naal orkuga martyani. Maranam varumaru naal orkuga martyani. In effect, Father Abel's version is more intense and introspective. Kudos to yet another great genius from the CMI congregation. Tashbota le'alaha.